everybody, Skip here, Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania. I'm going to try and make a short little video here that's a PSA on anger management. I did something really stupid and very asinine, and now I'm even madder at myself. So I figured I'd make this little announcement, use myself as an example, be a lesson to help other people not, just lose it and become a skip monster like I did. So it all started. I had a build. I was working on a build video, trying to get it done. I had about a half a dozen kits that I had started years ago, ran out of time or whatever, put them back in the box. They sat there. I decided I was going to start pulling them out and getting them done. So this was the first one, and I had started it, ran out of time. I really didn't have time to finish it. Packed it up, put it away. So I got it out. I was doing the build video for it, and I was doing this Tamiya kit. Let me zoom back out here. I thought it was a pretty nice kit. It's one I wanted to build. It's a car I've always liked, kind of a dream car for me. So I was building it as my dream car, the way I would like it. Well, I get right towards the end. It's going along fine. I'm really happy with the way it's going. Get to the last couple steps. It all started with the windows and kept going south from there. Finally, I'm just trying to wrap it up. It's one little thing after another. I walked away from it several times. Probably 10, 12 times I walked away from this because it was aggravating me at the end. Well, this morning I'm trying to finish it up so I can do the final video on it. The final shots anyway. I already had about over three-fourths of the video done. And I just totally, I lost my crap on it. Next thing I know, both my fists are coming down. And this is my Tamiya kit now. Yeah, I really lost it. It's now totally unbuildable. So, yeah. I'm not real happy right now. Mostly with myself. So I guess the moral of the story is walk away. I didn't want to put it back in the box for a second time. I wanted to get it done, get it on the shelf. Yeah, I should have just put it back in the box and let it set for whatever, months, maybe another couple of years, who knows. Yeah, I'm pretty ashamed of myself right now. I had it coming along pretty nice. I mean, it was almost all together. I guess, maybe I can salvage some of the parts from it for some kit bashing later. But, yeah, it's pretty wasted. I had the paint going pretty nice on it. At least until I got the brainiac idea of trying to do some black wash in the panel lines for the door openings and hood openings and stuff. And that's where it really started going bad for me. I messed that up a little. I was still okay with it, but you can see the paint was doing pretty nice on it. I'd even filled the seams on this where the spoiler glued onto it. And yeah, now look at it. All because I got mad. And I even kind of, well, compared to what I get at work, it's nothing, but yeah, got some little spots on my wrists and my hand where I cut myself. Same with this hand somewhere. I know, yeah. finger and side of my hand. So, don't be a skip monster. Don't smash your models. It's not nice. Your models don't appreciate it either. And it makes you feel like an ass. So that's it. This is my PSA. Hope y'all can take something away from it. Be nice to your models. Alright, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll catch you on a better video. Till then, we'll catch you later.